am living proof that owning this business can generate loads of money. I was never expecting this business model to make this much money, and I never knew it could scale to this point, especially when I was working a 9-to-5 job making £2,500 a month before tax. And just before the video starts, I just want to point out this is nothing to do with course selling, Amazon FBA, drop shipping, crypto, FX trading. It has got nothing to do with any of that. The thing that I'm going to talk about within this video, honestly and genuinely, it changed my life. When I first started this business, I didn't know how it was going to make me money. I didn't know that it could make me this much money, and I ultimately didn't know that it was going to give me this much freedom. I wake up when I want, I go on holiday when I want, I go to the gym when I want, and I get to spend time with my fiance when I want. Yes, the days are long. Sometimes I'm working 16-hour days, but ultimately I pick and choose. As long as the work's done, I can do whatever I want. Now, this business model is called a social media marketing agency. Now, there's a few legs that come off of this business model because ultimately there's a few ways to run it depending on your skill set. You could be really good at content creation, so you could have a marketing agency dedicated to content creation, or you might not have a clue how to use a camera or an iPhone or edit videos in CapCut or Premiere Pro, and you might not even be interested in doing that, so you can just have a marketing agency that's dedicated to running social media pages, just posting on people's behalf. Sounds wild, but most companies, most businesses, they don't really know how to use social media. What's the trending sound? What's the trending hashtag? They're not consistent, so they're going to hire you to stay consistent. Or another way of running a marketing agency is running ads, paid ads, to generate that company more bookings, more revenue, more customers. So let's just start with the most basic one that you can start. And you watching this video right now, you can start this literally today. Don't worry about an Instagram. Don't worry about a fancy website. Like, I've grown my marketing agency over £100,000 a year, and I still don't have a website, and I still don't post my work on social media. I got fortunate, I got lucky, I got to meet the right people at the right time. I'll hold my hands up and admit that. But the strongest point of connection for me was coming from recommendations from other clients. That's how I grew my marketing agency. So stripping it back down to like a beginner-friendly business model, I would simply go on your phone and start a social media marketing agency that just runs people's social media accounts. Ideally, if I was you, I'd pick a niche. Like, my niche is restaurants, so I run social media accounts, but I also do their content, their ads, their graphic design. I post on their behalf. I do all their reservation systems, their booking. I do everything for them. But for you, you can just be the social media man or the social media girl that runs their page. I'll give you an example, right? Back in 2022, I used to go to 2 restaurants. So just 2 restaurants. I was about 5 or 10 minutes away from each other. I would turn up on a Friday and Saturday night, and I'll do Instagram stories showing how busy the restaurant is. Just posting on their Instagram stories. That made me £2,000 a month. I promise you, I'm not even joking. £2,000 a month. That's someone's monthly salary. And all I did was just go and do some Instagram stories. Like, this social media game, this game of SMMA or social media marketing or content creation agency, you can make shitloads of money, and you can scale it to the point where you're like me, where you turn around and go, hang on a minute, how did I get here? You don't have to be a content creator. The restaurant or your niche will already have content. If not, just go in on a phone and just take a couple photos and videos. Learn how to edit in CapCut. Learn how to edit in Instagram or in the app that you're posting on, and just run and manage their social media. Now, put it this way. If you are making £2,500 a month in your job currently, let's just say as a rule of thumb, you just need 5 clients in any niche or all niches, depends if you want to go down a certain niche or not, to say yes for you to run their social media page and create their content for just £500 a month. For that client to pay you £500 a month to completely take over their social media is a tiny bit of money to them. But for you, you're slowly getting out of that 9-to-5 rat race. And quite honestly, that's how I started. I just offered content creation as well. So I started on £650 a month, and I grew until I got to the point where now clients are paying me £2,000 to £4,000 a month per client. client. It's crazy. And I know I make it sound easy, but if you really just sit back and go, right, how can I do this? How can I grow it? What companies can I go after? If you're a girl when you're watching this video, there are so many companies and so many niches that you can go after. There's hairdressers, there's hair salons, there's nails. I'm not a girl, so I don't know the fancy words, but there's all the beauty, the aesthetics, the Botox girls. They need to be on social media. Like, there's so many people and so many companies that you can go after. It's actually a joke. And if you're a guy, there's gyms that, I can't really say that, to be honest. Can I? Girls do go to the gym. You know what I'm saying anyway. There's just so many companies. For me, I fell into the restaurant game. So I continued and I scaled my marketing agency with restaurants. But a social media marketing agency, it doesn't matter how you do it, just ads, just content, just posting, however you build your marketing agency, it is by far the best business you can ever make. And genuinely, I feel like it's the easiest business that you can make to make a lot of money in 2026 and for the next 2 or 3 years before AI takes all of our jobs. The one thing that I have to say that I love about my social media marketing agency is all of my clients are on a monthly retainer. So not only do I know what I'm making every month before the month comes in, because before when I was a content creator, I was just running off trying to find individual one-off jobs and I didn't know how my money was like this. But when you're getting paid on a monthly reoccurring basis, let's just say you're making £5,000 a month, without realizing it, because they're paying you monthly, they're technically paying you every hour. It doesn't matter if it's 50p, it doesn't matter if it's £1, or it doesn't matter if it's £1,000, whatever. They're paying you every hour, which technically means you're making money when you're sleeping. When you're working your 9 to 5 job, as soon as you clock out, you ain't getting paid a penny. I was gonna say something, but I don't want to come across as that guy. But last year was the biggest year I've ever had with my marketing agency, and I actually worked out how much money I made whilst I was shitting. Fun fact. I'm not gonna tell you how much it was, but fun fact. But ultimately what I'm trying to say is you're getting paid every hour, all day, every month. So even if it works out like 20p an hour, like you sleep for 8 hours, do you know what I mean? You've made £6 that you wouldn't have made before, but you're just sleeping. Now times that by you having 15 clients, all of a sudden, whilst you sleep, you've made someone's daily wage going to a 9 to 5 job. Like it's baffling. It works out like that. But that is the beauty of a subscription-based business. Same with Netflix, same with Amazon, same with a lot of other businesses as well. Same as yours when you start this marketing agency. Anyway, if you guys have any questions at all about where to start, how to start, I'm guessing most of you would be a beginner if you are going to start because of the title of this video. So if you do have any questions, be sure to drop your comments down below, follow me on Instagram, or just send me a message on Instagram. Fortunately for you, this is still quite a new YouTube channel. So every comment I get, every like I get, every new subscriber I get, I see, and I'm genuinely, truly grateful for it. So if you are interested in learning more, just drop a comment below and I'll reply and help you out literally as much as I can. But if this is a sign, if you've been looking for one or not, this is your sign to start a social media marketing agency. It changed my life, and I promise you, if done right and you put your all into it, it will change yours.